So the TSP is one of those things you're always going to hear from people. I wish I had done this. I wish I'd known about this information in the past. I wish I had started this earlier in life. And it's bullshit. Like, there's, technology has information at our hands, and this is still a recurring issue where people are still saying these things. We want to create a channel to where, we present this information so that people understand the basics of it and they start investing. And if you're watching these videos, you're part of the fucking solution, and welcome aboard, motherfucker. Okay, for our first video, it's the TSP. And we're gonna simplify this information because you should not overcomplicate what the TSP is. It's just a retirement plan. You can dive into all the different details of the different funds, but all you need to know is that there's 5 funds, 2 groups, that's bonds and stocks. Bonds is GNF, CSNI are stocks. But for the purpose of the video, throw all your money into CSNI. GNF, don't even fuck with GNF. It has a low return, barely beats inflation. It's for soy boys and old people. If you just joined the military, chances are you're not gonna be able to invest the max contribution, which is $19,500. That's roughly $1,600 a month. So throw as much as you can towards the TSP. Build the skills of managing your personal finance. If you can throw $200 here, then that's all you really need, even within 4 to 6 years, to build a retirement plan. And along with that is the blended retirement system. And to kind of break down what the blended retirement system is, regardless of how much you put in towards the TSP, even if it's 0%, the DoD is going to calculate and match 1% of your base pay towards your TSP. But what we feel is the biggest bang for your buck is putting 5%. What 5% is going to do for you is that the DoD is going to take an additional 4% of your base pay on top of the 1% that's automatically put there, totaling to 10% towards your TSP. So half of the cost that you put in is doubling your investment. To kind of reiterate everything that we've said so far, throw money towards CSNI, don't worry about the GNF. Contribute at least 5%, that's not a lot from your base pay. Start building the skills right now for personal finance. Seeing how much you can throw into the TSP can translate to something more lucrative like stocks. And in our next video, we're going to talk about the basics of stocks, like what they are, what we think are the most effective ways to stock investing, and really allow you to build that confidence to do these bigger things. So should I talk about, because I'm coming in with like high energy, but it's like, you guys should not complicate.
You don't have the mic.
Oh, I don't have the mic,
Yeah.
fuck.
No, it's right there. Yeah.
Oh, it is.